In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove password from a PDF. But this procedure only applies if you know the password. So let's say that you have a PDF document that you want to send to someone else. So you need to remove that password for the recipient to actually see the content of the document. The first, I'm going to show you going to show you three methods. So the first method, we're going to use a web browser, a Chrome. So I can just right click and then right click on the document, then open with Chrome like that. Now you will be prompted to enter the password. So for this case, I know the password is 1234 and click submit. Now you can see the document is opened here in Chrome. Now for you now to save this document without a password, so that the next time you open it you don't require a password, go to at the top here, you see this print icon. Click on the print and then save as. Make sure that it is save as, then click save. Let's save it. Let's create a folder here and call it unlocked PDFs, like so. So we're going to save in there, and then we can edit that to Chrome and then click save. Now if we close this and we open a copy of what we actually saved from the Chrome, if you open it, now you see we don't require a password to open it. So this is the first method. Let's see the second method. Now we are going to use a website to do that. Open up any browser that you have. For this case, I'm using Chrome, and then type I love PDF and then click enter. Select https stroke www.ilovepdf.com. click on that one. Then we have all these icons. The one that you want is unlock PDF, so select unlock PDF, and then we're going to select the PDF that we have. Now you can see we need to unlock this one. Click on your right click unlock PDF. You will require to enter the password 123456, then click send. Now your PDF is ready. You can click download unlock PDFs, and you can see now it's actually downloading. So let me open where. So it's actually in downloads. So I'm going to cut it, or before you even cut it, just double click on it, and you can see now it's now you can open without having a password. So if you cut that, just place it in here. The last method, we are going to use Adobe Acrobat. So if I type, or just I'm going to double click on this PDF because I already have Adobe Acrobat Pro installed. Now the first thing, that the moment you double click to open, you will be prompted to input the password. So 123456 and then click OK. The moment your document is open, go to tools, click on tools, and then look for security or protect icon. It's under protect and standardize. Click on it, and then you're going to get these three options here. Just click on advanced option and select remove security. Click OK, and then just close that. The moment you click close, you need to save. To accept the changes, click yes, and then if we now double click that one, you can see we can open it without a password. Those are the three methods you can use to remove password from or unlocking your PDF documents. See you in the next tutorial.